Hello YouTube! In this video, we'll be repairing a dishwasher door. The door on this particular dishwasher wasn't closing properly, and there was also a lack of spring tension. As a result, the dishwasher couldn't be used effectively. Let's jump right into the repair. The first step is to remove the bottom front panel of the kitchen cabinets. Next, unplug the dishwasher from the power outlet and pull it out from its position. Before recording, I had already removed the dishwasher's side panels to order replacement parts. Later in the video, I'll show you how to reattach them. For now, just do the reverse process to remove them. With the side panels off, we can see the root of the problem, a stretched out door spring. To remove the damaged spring, use a flathead screwdriver to pry it off. Hold the spring at an angle that makes it easy to unhook. Now it's time to install the new door spring. The part number for this specific dishwasher is in the description below. If you are working on a different model, make sure to order a compatible spring. Attach the new spring using a screwdriver for leverage if necessary. This dishwasher has 3 mounting holes for the spring. The middle hole was used originally, so I choose to reinstall it there. Unfortunately, replacing the spring alone didn't fully fix the issue. The door still wouldn't close properly. After some troubleshooting, I realized that when the original spring lost tension, the door likely slammed down into the horizontal position, bending the hinges. These hinges aren't designed to withstand such impact. To fix this, I removed the front panel from the dishwasher door. Using a large flathead screwdriver as a leverage, I carefully bent the hinges back into their proper alignment. I repeated this process on both sides of the door. With the hinges straightened and the new spring installed, the door finally closed as it should. Next, I reattached the dishwasher's front panel. There are 3 Phillips head screws on each side to secure it. Then, I slid the side panels back into place and fastened them with multiple Torx screws. The screws are different sizes, so take a note of their placement during disassembly. With the side panels secured, I returned the dishwasher to its position under the countertop, reinstalled the bottom cabinet panel, and plugged the dishwasher back in. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!